Hello, student. How are you doing? Hope you all are doing fine. It's Mr. Dapnaz here. I'm your English teacher. I'll teach you English grammar for class 2. Today we are going to learn about common and proper noun. Before explaining you the common and proper noun, first we will revise the definition of noun. It will help you to understand the lesson well. Let's learn the definition of noun. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals, birds and things. किसी भी इंसान, जगह, जानवर, परिंदे और चीजों के नाम को nouns या इसम कहते हैं. Like my name is Miss Sadak and your father name is like Habib and your mother name is Sana. And the places around us like school, hospitals, shopping malls, and the animals may you have seen in the zoo such as lion, tigers, birds, parrots, crow, eagle, and the things around you like pen, pencil, bag, chair. These all names of persons, places, animals, birds, and things are all nouns. Have a look at some more examples. Faraz, name of a person. Karachi, name of a place. Cat, name of an animal. Ball, name of a thing. These all are nouns. Noun can be classified or categorized into several types, but today we are going to learn about two types of noun, proper noun and common noun. Now you all must be thinking what is proper and common noun. First, let's learn the definition of proper noun. Proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or a thing. किसी भी इंसान, जगह, जानवर और चीज के खास नाम को proper noun या इसमें खास कहते हैं. Students, remember these points about proper noun. A proper noun can be made up of more than one word. Proper noun दो लफ्जों पर भी मुश्तमिल हो सकता है. For example, here we have the word Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is made up of two words, Khyber and Pakhtunkhwa. Now, second point. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Proper noun हमेशा बड़े हरूफ या कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है. For example, Lahore. Lahore is a proper noun. It starts with capital L. Let's look at some examples of proper noun. Names of people are proper noun. Names of people may be made up of more than one word. For example, Saif Ali. Saif Ali is a boy name and it is made up of two words. Seema Banu is a name of a girl and it is also made up of more than one word. Name of places like continents, countries, states, cities, villages, lakes, oceans, rivers, mountains, monuments, and so on are also proper noun. Let's look at some examples. Pakistan, Karachi, River Indus, Atlantic Ocean, Kanjar Lake, these all are proper noun. The names of days of the week and months of the year are also proper noun. Let's look at some examples. Sunday to Saturday, January to December, the names of books and publications are also proper noun. For example, Holy Quran, Daily Dawn, Paramount Publisher, these all are the examples of proper noun. Let's learn what is common noun. A common noun is a general or ordinary name for the same kind of things, person or places. किसी भी इंसान, जगह, जानवर, परिंदे और चीजों के आम नाम को कॉमन नाउन या इसमें आम कहते हैं. Children, remember these points about common noun. A common noun do not refer to any particular person, things or places. कॉमन नाउन किसी भी जगह, इंसान, चीज और जानवर के खास नाम को जाहिर नहीं करता. Second point, common nouns are spelled in small letters, they do not begin with capital letters. कॉमन नाउन हमेशा छोटे हरूफ या लेटर से पढ़ा जाता है और ये बड़े हरूफ या कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू नहीं होता। Here we have some example. Friends, city, etc. begins with small letter F and C. So now kids, have a look at few examples of common noun. Kids, when you go to school, you find the following things in your classroom. Whiteboard, chart, duster, chair, chalk, clock, desk. These all are common nouns. Do you know kids? Girl, dog, cat, city, father. These all are also common nouns as they do not refer to any particular things, person or places. Now kids, you have learned what is common and proper noun. Now I am giving you some exercises for practice which you will have to do in your Growing with Grammar book too. Exercises are A, B, C, D and E. And the pages number are 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Children, what did you learn today? Let's go through all the points we have learned in this lesson, common and proper noun. A noun can be a common or proper noun. Common nouns can be a person, place, animal or thing. They are not names, so they do not have a capital letters unless they are the first word in a sentence. Let's see some examples. Boy, tree, moss, lion. Have you noticed kids? These examples do not have a special name and they begin with small letters. So they are common nouns. Proper nouns are the names of specific people, animals, places or things. They begin with capital letters. Have a look at some examples. Map of Pakistan, Costume, Mickey Mouse is a cartoon character name, Fudel is a boy name. In these examples, you have noticed that they all have special names and they begin with a capital letter, so they are proper nouns. Now we know what are common and proper noun. Well, now kids, I'm sure that after watching this video, you can use proper and common noun appropriately. This is page number 5, exercise A of lesson common and proper noun. In this exercise, kids, you have to underline the common noun in each sentence. Look at the first sentence. My father helps me with my homework. Here the word father is a common noun as father can be anyone without being a specific name. Second sentence. Zen and I like going to the zoo. The word zoo is a common noun as zoo can be any zoo without being a specific name. Third sentence. George has 3 cats and a dog at home. The word cats, dog and home are common noun as cats, dog and home can be anyone without being a specific name. Fourth sentence. Tina is working on the computer. Here the word computer is a common noun as computer can be anyone without being a specific name. Fifth sentence. We will have pizza for dinner tonight. The word pizza is a common noun as pizza can be of any company without being a specific name. Now moving to the page number 6, exercise B. In this exercise, kids, you have to arrange the words in right categories. Here a search box is given. In the search box, there are people, places, animal and things name are given. And kids, you have to sort out these names and then place them in the correct column. The first column, you will have to write the people. And the peoples are in the box. We have baker, gardener, barber, teacher, farmer. And the second column is places. And the places, here you will write the names of places. Restaurant, library, cinema, park, harbor. And in the third column, you will write the animal's name. Horse, monkey, goat, hen, cow. And in the fourth column, you will have to write the things name. And in the box, they have given the things names that are shoe, banana, nose, carpet, clock. Now this is exercise C and page number 8. And the question is underline proper noun in each sentence. Now have a look at the first sentence. We watched Ice Age on television last night. Ice Age is a proper noun as it is a special name of a program. Second sentence. Rachel is my friend's cousin. Rachel is a special name of a boy, so it is a proper noun. Third sentence. Shamu, the dolphin, is the main attraction at SeaWorld. Here, the dolphin has a special name, Shamu, so it is a proper noun. And the Shamu is the main attraction of a special world, which is sea, so SeaWorld is also a proper noun. Fourth sentence. Jim will move to Singapore next year. Jim is a special name of a person, so it is a proper noun. And he's moving to a special place, that is Singapore. So Singapore is a special name of a place, so it is a proper noun. Fifth sentence. My favorite chocolate is Cadbury. Cadbury is a special name of a chocolate, so it is a proper noun. Now this is exercise D, page number 9, and the question is add proper noun to complete the following story. Here kids, you are seeing that some words are underlined. What you will have to do, you will have to write a proper noun in place of each underlined common nouns. For making the each underlined common noun a proper noun, you have to give a special name to each underlined words. As long as we do not give them a name, they won't be a proper noun. हमें underline कॉमन नाउन्स को प्रॉपर नाउन बनाने के लिए उन्हें खास नाम देना पड़ेगा. जब तक हम उन्हें नाम नहीं देंगे ये प्रॉपर नाउन नहीं बनेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज. इन फर्स्ट लाइन, इन प्लेस ऑफ टू बॉयज you will write Ali and Hassan. In the same way, in place of day's name, you will write a specific day name like Saturday. In the second line, in place of a movie name, you will write movie Harry Potter. In third line, you will write in place of restaurant name Move and Pig. And in place of street name, you will write Char and Faisal. In fourth line, in place of boy one name, you will write Ali. And in place of watch name, you will write Rado. Then you will write in place of boy 2 name, Hassan. Then in fifth line, in place of shoe store name, you will write Bata Shoe Store. In sixth line, you will give name to cat 1 as Tommy and cat 2 are Kitty. I replaces these underlined common noun with my choice. Kids, you can write any other name of your own choice. Now, this is exercise E, page number 10. In this exercise, children, you have to guess the name of the given picture and then write their name in the blank provided. But remember, the name of all these pictures are proper noun. Look at the first picture. It's a famous tower of the world which is in France. Its name is Eiffel Tower. Now look at the second picture. I know you all liked him and you all know his name. Yes, he is a famous cricket player, Shahid Afridi. Now look at the third picture. The third picture is of car. It's a Suzuki Mehran car. Now look at the fourth picture. It is the picture of a famous character, Kung Fu Panda. Now look at the fifth picture. It is a cartoon character named Spider-Man.